Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Sarvani Ideas Quest. So in this video we get to learn about the new topic known as structure of tasks. So by the structure of tasks we can clearly know how the output was clearly resulted in machine learning. Okay, so by solving the problems, what are the tasks given by the machine learning? By solving those problems we get to know how outputs are clearly resulted. Fine. So now for that outputs I'll be stating some classification based on some target variables. Okay. So in supervised and unsupervised learning, as I already said, in supervised learning we are known with both input and output cases, whereas in unsupervised learning we are only known with the input cases, right? So in the previous videos of my introduction videos of machine learning, there I stated outputs that clearly involves in target variables. Okay, so by this outputs involves in target variables. So these target variables based on the outputs were again divided into two cases known as predictive case and descriptive case. So these outputs based on the target variables, they just involve in predictive models only. Okay, so they just involve in predictive models and they doesn't involve in descriptive models. Okay, so this is how the outputs of target variables are divided into. Now I'll be giving the clear classification based on this predictive and descriptive models of supervised and unsupervised learning. So now classification based on supervised learning and unsupervised learning based on the models of predictive and descriptive models. Fine. Now, as we already know, supervised learning, it deals with labeled data. So that is what the reason supervised learning, it comes under predictive case. Okay, where the labeled data performs, there the predictive model present. Fine. So the supervised learning classes will be comes under predictive model. So the classes are classification and regression. Okay, whereas in unsupervised learning it deals with unlabeled data. So that is what the reason it doesn't comes under predictive case, it comes under descriptive learning. So unsupervised learning classes are clustering and association. Okay, so this is how the classes of both supervised and unsupervised learning are divided with the predictive and descriptive cases. Now, we also have to give a descriptive case according to supervised learning. So, based on supervised learning and descriptive case, I will be giving subgroup generation. Okay, so what is meant by subgroup generation? Subgroup generation is nothing but it just involves with the unlabeled data. Okay, here we perform the subgroup generation with unlabeled data. Then that according to that unlabeled data, we divided them into some different groups. Okay. Then from those groups, we check the similarities. So based on those similarities, again the subgroups are divided. So that is how subgroup generation is formed. So as already said, it deals with unlabeled data. That way it comes under descriptive case. Okay. So now for the predictive case, we also have to give the unsupervised learning. Right? So for unsupervised learning in predictive case, I give predictive clustering. So what is meant by predictive clustering? It is nothing but clustering case. That's it. Okay. Based on the clustering operations, we'll be dividing the classes in the predictive clustering. Okay. So it just forms with the clear label data. That is why it comes under predictive case. Okay. So this is how we deal with supervised and unsupervised learning models into predictive and descriptive models. So okay, the outputs were clearly divided based on this classification cases. Okay, so this is what the structure clearly based on the tasks. Okay, so by this we get to know how the tasks are performed and how the outputs are resulted according to the classification. Okay, then further video I'll be clearly stating about evaluating the performance of tasks. Okay, so hope you guys understand about today's video. And if you have any doubts, clearly comment them below. I'll be answering sure for you over there.